Learning corners. A safe and nurturing environment supports and enhances child's holistic development. Here the child feels free to pursue their interests without fear and involves and engaged in learning, exploring the world through full use of their senses. Children develop social skills, language abilities, as well as self esteem and confidence when positive interactions happen in a safe environment. A well designed learning environment is carefully built with multiple interest areas called learning corners that caters to the different learning needs through a careful selection of materials that are safe and developmentally appropriate and spark children's imagination and exploration. A classroom should be a space where children can explore, make things, experiment, and pursue their own goals. The engagement with learning corners can be teacher directed sometimes, but most times it can be children driven and scaffolded by the teacher. An ideal classroom is big enough to create learning corners where all the materials can be stored. There should be shelves, cases, and other storage units, adequate lighting, and well ventilated, and enough space for children to sit and engage in different learning corners. If there is lack of space, the materials can be stored in a large bag and hung on the wall and stored away till it is learning corner time. Teachers can come up with creative ways to introduce the corners according to their context. Children can be shown the different corners and introduced and discussed and come up with general rules like keeping it clean, materials to be kept back in their designated place after use, no breaking, and sharing of materials, taking turns. Initially, children may engage with the learning corner they are most interested in. They can be encouraged to explore and experiment with other corners too over time. Creativity Corner. This learning corner in the classroom provides opportunities for children to participate in all creative activities involving art and craft, singing, playing musical instruments, and dance and movement. By engaging with different medias, children understand sound, movement, color, shapes, and texture, and develop an awareness of art. Pretend Play Corner. It is a space in the classroom where children pretend play by engaging in role play or dramatic play using the different materials. Pretend play is an integral part of development and stems from children's everyday experiences. By acting out different situations or people, they make sense of the world around them. Role play supports children's learning of new words, practice conversational skills, and learn to listen to and exchange information with others. This corner is a space where children can use their senses to experiment with different things and materials and also create new things. Children develop their senses of sight, sound, touch, taste, and smell, reasoning skill, classifying, sequencing, ordering, measuring, and experimenting, besides so many other skills as they engage with the materials in this learning corner. Storybook Reading Corner. This space can be used by children to explore storybooks or picture books and writing at their own will. Storybook corners support reading and writing and help children learn and understand themselves, their community, and the world around them and beyond. There can be age-respectful books ranging from picture books to simple storybooks with increasing complexity of text and theme. The storybooks for young children can mostly be books that illustrate the stories with pictures and minimal text. A crucial point to understand is that while children are exploring different books, it is not expected that they would start reading efficiently immediately. Rather, it is a space for children to be introduced to with the concepts of print and letters and develop an interest in reading. Keeping all learning corners in one place is convenient and practical for a teacher to manage young children. But in case weather permits, children can be taken out to play with materials or read books. This will break the monotony of routine and bring in fresh perspectives to learn.